Hello Aquarius, welcome to Tarot Destination and welcome to your July month prediction. So what are we going to discuss in this reading today? Today first we shall be discussing the energy of the month, how overall energy of the month is going to be, how overall you are going to feel during the month, right? Then we will move to the relationship reading. We will see during the month how your relationship is going to be. Then we will move to the very important section of everyone, career and finances, how it is going to be, whether it is going to improve or any changes is required and all that. Then we will seek the angel blessings during the month. What is the best angel guidance you can get from the angels, from the divine directly for you in the month of July so that you can have the good time. And the very important section, the remedies section. Here what you are going to know, you are going to know what are the important rituals you can perform, what are the best advice you can follow in your life in order to get good result, in order to navigate your month with ease. Any specific colors it is advised to you, any particular kind of food it is advised to you, and all that. So let us start the reading with the energy of the month. So your energy of the month is Five of Swords. Five of Swords, what it is talking about? You may feel during the month as if you are in some competition, you are competing with others, and while in that competition, some conflict may happen, and just because of ego, as we know that everyone is having ego, direct or indirect ego, everyone is holding within them. So just because of that ego or to satisfy that ego, it is possibility you may hurt others or you might be hurt by others. So this person, either it could be you, or this side the hurt people, it could be you. Also I feel during the month there is possibility some selection or some option, decision making kind of thing may come, and in that you have to compete with others and you have to select, because if something interesting you wanted to get, so definitely you have to run fast, you have to grab first, and others should lose. So this kind be such kind of race also, it could be during the month. So this is the overall energy. Mental disturbance you are going to feel, definitely little strain I feel, lot of overthinking I feel. But again I would advise, this card is indicating you please change your perspective, because if you try to show your ego as if you are having everything and these people had lost, or the other person is trying to make you like this, that is going to create lot of negativity and lot of mental disturbance. Even the both the parties, it will create a mental disturbance. So this is the overall month energy I feel. If you are this person, please avoid that ego and conflict, because if you win also, you are going to have the mental strain. Why? Because you are going to get negativity from these people, because these people are hurt. Or if you are at this place, it is requested you please forgive this person. If you will do the forgiveness, if you will forgive this person, you will feel burden free, you will feel relaxed, so mentally you may feel happy and lighter. So let's move, what is the relationship during the month for you Aquarius? So during the month relationship card is the Magician. Here Magician, what it is trying to say for you Aquarius, what I feel, I think you are trying to control others. You are trying to show as if you are having everything, and in relationship you may hurt others, because I told you the overall month energy is very negative. It is somewhere or other way, it will just provoke you, it will make you egoistic somewhere. So when I'll just come to the relationship, I feel you are trying to control others as if you are taking the charge of everyone and you are just showing I will only lead this, you people cannot. So you are not giving chance to others. So your relationship could be little like one person is controlling everything, so others may not be happy, because when more than one people are there and one person is controlling, so others may feel unhappy, others may feel sad. So take care on your attitude, take care of your tongue, take care on your communication. Why? Because this magician is ruled by Mercury, so you have to very careful on your communication front, because it is possible, though you are decent person and you are quite intelligent, for everything you are having the qualities to take decision, but still take the help of others, involve them in the task or anything whatever it is happening in the family, then this relationship is going to be wonderful. The another side of Aquarius, what I feel, I think you are in some secret kind of relationship, or you are performing a trickster role also. So there is possibility people who are having more than one relationship, you have to be very careful this month, because what I feel, Aquarius, for you, something may blast, or you will be caught by your life partner or by your family people, and you are going to feel embarrassment. So this is the another card, so you have to be balanced in those things. If you are having any secretive relationship, please try to disconnect for some time, because what I feel, this your July month energy is very hard, or there is possibility some dispute may happen, might be with someone, you might be sharing your secrets and that person will come forward and share the relationship. So this kind of situation may happen, and you are thinking okay, you are the superior, but that's not the scenario here. July, your situation is going to get changed, so you need to be careful also. This is what I said, be careful on your communication front, with your family, with your colleagues, with everyone. You need to be careful, you need to be polite, you need to be a decent person during the month. A decent word only I will use for you, for the Aquarius. So this is the relationship I feel. Good stuff it is going to happen in the family, but somewhere I feel only one person's monopoly is going to happen, and the others may not enjoy. You may enjoy, but others may not enjoy. So that part also you have to take care, you have to engage your other people also with you, so that they should also enjoy. That is called the family, and that is called the relationship. So do not show your ego, your power, as if you only know everything, you are having everything. Don't display your all this stuff. In fact, try to be a normal person, a gentle person. And if you are having any secret relationship, so this month is going to be cautious for you, so be careful on that front. So let's move to the career and finances. Career and finances, what we got? We got the Six of Swords card. Again, it has come to the swords, and again it is talking about a lot of mental thinking, thoughts, stress and all that. So when you'll see the Six of Swords ka card, what I feel, these people are moving away, as if these people are thrown out, or as if these people are trying to move away from their own, and they are just trying to go to some peaceful place. They had already faced a lot of bad times and they wanted to move, because here when you'll see the Five of Swords, how these people are hurt. So here these two people are going away because these two people are hurt. So there is possibility during the month on your career front, you might be moving away, you are going to some other place. It could be this decision is taken by you also, or could be this decision is taken by your employer also, and while going you are not feeling very happy, you are not feeling joyous at that time, and with a heavy heart you are moving away. Why? Because you had to move, you do not have any other option. So some movement I see during the month in your career front. Finances wise also, I do not feel much improvement is there. Whatever you are having, you have to take care of that, your that all your funds. So if you are overspending, so please have control on that. Why? Because in future some sudden expenses may come. This chaotic situation may force you to spend more, so savings you have to take care. Overall month, if I would say about the career and finances, it's quite average. It will improve, but with time. You have to give time. If you are in hurry, like the thought has come in mind and it has to change immediately, that is not going to happen. You have to put your effort, and wherever you are going, make sure you are not carrying the clutter with you. Because if you will carry the clutter, whatever you feel things are not working, please leave and go. Why? Then your speed will increase. If your boat will be heavy, it may not move fast. So make it bit lighter, so that you will also, your journey also going to be great, and you can just move away fast. You can just move forward with speed and with less burden, right? So this is the career and finances during the month. I feel some movement is there, some traveling is there, some changes are coming. Might be the changes it is not expected by you. You may not be ready for this, and that kind of changes will come and you have to move away. So this is for the Aquarius. Career and finances is going to be. Now we will discuss what is the angel guidance for this month. Angel guidance for the month is Law of Attraction, a very best card, and the relationship. Two cards fell down, so I felt these two must be important for the Aquarius. So, law of attraction, as I had already told, your energies in the beginning, I had discussed your energies, your thoughts. So, what kind of thoughts you are getting, same kind of thoughts you are going to attract. So, what this law of attraction it is talking about, what is this angel guidance is talking about? Please have control on your thoughts, because whatever you are thinking, that only you are going to attract. If you are thinking lot of negativity in your relationship, lot of, if you're trying to hurt others, so the same thing you are going to attract also. Here can you see the relationship, what it is talking about, the combination. Here this card movement, if you'll see, it is moving towards this energy is attracting this thing. So if you are having negative energy, negative people will come into your life and they will just create the chaos. If you are positive, if you are balanced, the positive people will come into your life and your life will improve. As you can see here, the movement card I had discussed and the magician card I had discussed. If you'll try to be trickster, you are going to meet with the trickster only. Because if you are thinking you are a trickster, you are a master, you can do anything, so you are going to get the same energy, and what will happen, that time you may feel little inferior, that time you may feel little insecure. Why? Because the same quality people, he or she also came into your life, and he or she also started hurting you, started ditching you, started playing with you. So you have to have control on your thoughts, on your attitude, on your communication. Because earlier I had discussed the Mercury present time, Mercury retro is happening. More than 6 planets retro it is there. The Saturn is also retro, and since you are Aquarius ruled by Saturn, so you have to be very careful. Because negative part, we know that it manifests very fast, and the positive it takes time. Why? Because the negativity seems to be very easy, and very easily we are absorbing that energy. So that is the problem with the negativity. So try to be positive, do not try to hurt anyone, do not go in any kind of conflict, don't show your power others. You do not have authority to show your power, you are no one. Because if you try to become that much powerful, some external force will come and they will destroy you. So this is the message from the angels. Work on your energies, because you are running through a very positive kind of energy, but you should know how to channel that positive energy. Is making you egoistic rather than humble. You are becoming egoistic, you are simply spending time on overthinking, you are simply spending time on comparison. and you are thinking to just ditch others and go move forward in your race. So that's not the life. If you'll try to compete like that, then instead of life it will become a race, and there then winner and loser only two terms will be there. There may not be the harmony word at all. So don't make your life like a race. Instead, live your life like a natural way, the way the God has given to you. So please work on your energies so that you should attract a good relationship in your life, in terms of personal level, in terms of professional level, in terms of finances also, because you are having good energies. So if you'll control on your energy, if your energies are balanced, it is possibility in near future, once you'll move from this place, you will be kicked out from this place just because of your attitude. Later on time is going to be great, little struggling, but later on in long run you are going to get good time. You will have more clarity, and you will be knowing what is right, what is wrong. So this is the angel message for you, Aquarius, during the month. So let's move to the remedy and advice part. So what the tarot is giving us advice for the Aquarius, what advice is coming, what remedy is suggested by the tarot card. So let's see what is that card. The first card is death card. What our this death card it is talking about in this scenario, in this July month, the Aquarius has to taken care of. Aquarius has to taken care of on their anger. They should remove the clutter from your life. Why I am saying, can you see this death card, how chaotic it looks like? Lot of clutter is there here and there, so you just remove the clutter from your life. If you are having the negative people in your life, please ask forgiveness and ask them to go out from your life. Very politely just pray to them and ask them to leave your life. Why? Because those energies are sucking your energy, those energies are not for your benefit. So just forgive them, and with prayers ask them to go towards their harmony, so that you also be a happy person, you are also going to spend your life happily. So remove all the negative people, remove all the negative stuff from your life. Why? Here we had discussed earlier, some movement is coming, and you are not supposed to carry lot of negative stuff with you. Do not carry so many things, because if you carry so many things, you are not going to utilize all. So what will happen? You are creating a junk in your life, you are creating negativity. So death is advising that only remove clutter. So this is a remedy for you. Remove clutter from your life, in terms of your negative thoughts, in terms of your negative people whom you are dealing with, and negative stuff also, the thing which you are not using in your life, day to day life, and you feel that is not useful, simply throw them out. Do not need to keep them. Nine of Pentacles, again it is talking, if you are having any female in your life, do not hurt that female, do not cheat. Earlier when the Magician card has come, I had already told, if you are having a third person, if you are having relationship with the third person, or even with your colleague, you need to be very careful. You are not supposed to hurt others, you are not supposed to cheat others. So this is the lady, it is appearing again, the remedy. So do not try to cheat others, your life partner. This is showing a female energy in your life. So there is possibility, I am not talking about the Aquarius can be a man only, it could be a woman also. So there is possibility you might be cheating, or you might be hurting some of your female colleague, or some of your female members in your family. So take care in those things. Here lot of red color is coming, and here when I see, I feel this is the death card, and it is the Scorpio, it ruled by Mars. So again this kind of Mars attack you may feel in your life. So this is what I said, please remove the clutter. Don't carry ego. Whatever powerful person you are, here you see, this is, he's the Pope, but still he is begging for his life. So don't try to show your ego, don't try to show your power, authority. Nothing is going to work out. When your time will be over, you will be thrown out like this, and you have to go. You are not having any other option. So just keep in mind that this may happen in terms of your personal life, in terms of your professional life, and all that. So take care in your relationship, take care on your attitude. Your attitude is very very important during this month, because law of attraction card has come. So your energies are very active this month. So how you are utilizing your energies, positively or negatively, it depends on you, because we are having the free will. Please avoid black color in your life during this month. Black and gray, completely you avoid. If you know the Hindu culture, so what I would suggest, Tuesdays and Saturdays, please chant Hanuman Chalisa or the Bajrang Ban you can do, or you can light red candle every day, or you can do to next 21 days, 7 days, or you can do only on Saturdays or Tuesday for this whole July month. I hope the reading has resonates with you. If so, please like and share your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye, Aquarius.